Let's see how to put iPad in recovery mode with home button. In the first step, open settings menu. Next, select general option. Next, pick transfer or reset iPad. In the next step, launch Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Then attach iPad to computer using a cable. Now wait until device is detected on screen. In the next step, hold down both home button and top button. Next, continue holding until a special screen appears. Then let go of buttons once it shows up. In the next step, check computer for a message. Now choose the right action from given choices. Later, allow the procedure to complete undisturbed. In the next step, unplug only after task finishes. Next, start setting up iPad when ready. Now check if everything functions properly. You are good to go.